Hi May.
Hi Shannon.
Wow, I'm really excited today because May from Meter Square gonna show me the beautiful home she designed. Shall we?
Let's go.
Hi.
Hi ladies, please come in.
Thank you. Hi Angie. Firstly, congratulations on your beautiful home. I really like the style.
Thank you, we really love it too.
Would you like to share with us that why did you choose Meter Square as your interior designer?
We chose Meter Square because they were highly recommended by friends of ours who had used their services before. Of course, we did some groundwork and checked around a couple more portals, but finally we came back to Meter Square.
I look around, I can see there are many unique pieces in the house. What was your brief to Meter Square?
Our brief to Meter Square came with two major challenges. One was the fact that we had existing furniture which we wanted to ship from Tokyo, which May, our chief designer, had to incorporate into the renovation. The other was that we were not going to be physically in Singapore to supervise the renovation progress.
Sounds like for not being here to watch the progress really quite a concern to you and also could be quite challenging to both parties.
Yes, you're right. Yes.
Modern intuition. I love it. So how did you overcome the second challenge for Angie not being here?
Firstly, I would like to thank Angie placing her trust in us, and we actually set up a group chat that communicates to each other. Even things like choosing a tile, she are unable to attend. We help her to decide the design, and we make a video call. And from the video call, she actually responds very fast. Somehow it's worked.
So how long did the renovation take?
Renovation took 2.5 months to complete.
It's about 10 weeks.
Wow, that's very fast. So when am I gonna take the grand tour?
What about now?
Great, let's go!
Shannon, this is master bathroom. You can see we choose the classic black and white floor tile, marble look alike wall tile, and gold accessory. It gives you a very luxury bathroom look.
I especially like the bathtub. I know people who've been living in Japan before really like their bath, and with the bathtub got the standing leg is really a great idea because it's easy to clean.
As for the common bathroom, we play with shape and pattern. As you can see, the floor tile shape is echoed in the feature wall.
It's cute. Looks like a honeycomb. May, I love the whole house, but I tell you the truth, I love the kitchen the most. For a person who loves to cook like me, a kitchen like that, the ceiling hood, the teppanyaki pan, and the beautiful cabinet color, especially the open concept. Because it never get boring when you chop, 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 when you talk to the guests, when you throw the dish. It's really fun. I really love that. How can you not love it?
Yeah, you are not the only one who like to cook. When I first met Angie's husband, Peter, he told me that he liked to cook and he would like to have an amazing kitchen. So I'm under stress. But in the end, he loved it and I feel happy too.
That's good. Perfect kitchen for perfect cook.
Yeah.
Thanks Angie. Thanks May for the grand tour. I really love that. So Angie, let me ask you a question. I think I know the answer, but would you recommend Meter Square to other homeowners?
Definitely, I would recommend Meter Square to other homeowners. The design was fantastic, the project coordination was awesome, and they were very timely. So thank you very much, May.
Thank you, Angie. I could not do it alone. Let me especially thanks to my team member, Michelle.
Thank you, May. It's always a pleasure to work with a great designer and a great client.
Yeah.
That's good. So I certainly enjoyed the experience. I hope you did too.
Yay.
So Angie, do you have a spare room for me? Come on.